Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete a post on Instagram. To delete a post on Instagram, firstly open your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now find the post that you want to delete. After that, tap on three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the post. Now tap on delete at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on delete to confirm. This is how you will be able to delete a post on Instagram. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.